You have to save the world. You have to be the powder puff girl.
Okay.
And that is the magic liquid that you have to pour down the throat of 3 people while screaming.
प्रियंका काफी इम्प्रेसिव लगी जजेस को, लेकिन वो अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाई, इसलिए जजेस ने उसे बाहर भेज दिया एक टास्क करने के लिए. Let's see if this helps.
Most of you will recognize this face, familiar face. पहचाना क्या? पहचाना कौन है ये? एरिक कौन यार?
एरिक RBG2 कराना ना.
अरे भाई तो अपने आप को ऐसे इंट्रोड्यूस करता है क्या? लड़कियां पढ़ जाती हैं ऐसे?
नहीं फॉर रिकग्निशन.
अच्छा फॉर रिकग्निशन नहीं. अच्छा ऑलराइट, तो रिकग्नाइज हो गया. ऑलराइट कूल. तो अंदर जाइए, बेस्ट ऑफ लक, क्योंकि जजेस बहुत ही इंतजार कर रहे हैं तुम लोगों का, ताकि दे कैन ईट यू अलाइव. आई एम श्योर दैट विल हेल्प यू. ऑलराइट ठीक है, जाइए. बेस्ट ऑफ लक.
Eric or Roy? Eric Roy is your full name.
Yeah.
Come on, Eric Roy. How are you? Catch my ball.
रोडीज बैटल ग्राउंड में क्या हुआ था?
क्रेजी टास्क.
क्या हो गया? Oh my God, Priyanka, I am proud of you. You have scared. अरे उसको भी हटा दिया. आ गई है प्रियंका. क्या बात है. तालियां जोरदार. ताली बजा भाई. अपने लिए ताली बजाएगा, किसी और का ताली नहीं बजाएगा.
प्रियंका क्या हुआ?
मैंने पिला दिया.
पिला दिया? किसको पिलाया आपने?
एक बच्चे को.
हाँ. बच्चा डरा नहीं?
अब क्यों डरी हुई? फिर से तुम डरी हुई हो?
और 2 बूढ़े को.
बूढ़े को
जिंदा है क्या? कुछ हुआ तो नहीं?
हार्ट अटैक तो नहीं हुआ उनको?
नहीं ठीक है.
चिल्लाते हुए तुम बूढ़े लोगों को डरा नहीं रही थी?
नहीं.
और क्या, कैसे पिलाया?
प्यार से पिला दिए.
प्यार से. अंकल पी लो.
पिला के थैंक यू बोल के आते.
We're gonna look at the tapes.
Yes.
In the meantime, I think you can go.
Thank you.
I'm proud of you, Priyanka.
Thank you.
This is fantastic.
Thank you for making me scream. It's been years since I did this.
Congratulations,
It was
Supergirl.
years since you screamed.
Now don't go
Yes.
out and scream, you'll lose your voice. Okay, now back to Eric and Roy.
You lost an arm wrestling match. Tell me more about it.
आर्म रेसलिंग मैच नहीं.
You lost an arm wrestling match to a girl. वो होल्डिंग एरिया में उसने तुम्हारी पिटाई करी, एरिक.
That was मैं जानबूझ के आ रहा था.
क्या बात?
Just to impress her and stuff.
You were trying to impress her.
मतलब तुम्हें
I didn't want to like सबके सामने. I didn't want to.
आज हार जाएंगे तो कल जीत जाएंगे. ठीक है भाई.
नाम क्या है उसका?
मोहिनी.
मोहिनी.
फोन नंबर क्या है?
I didn't take it.
You didn't take it.
No.
So what are you trying to impress her with then?
Did you
Just
find her
like
cute?
So that she will
Yeah,
always
I tried
remember
to.
you as the guy who
Lost to her.
lost to an arm wrestle. How impressive.
She'll feel like you can protect her for the rest of your life.
Can we just put another chair there?
रोडीज के हिस्ट्री में ऐसा पहली बार हुआ कि पर्सनल इंटरव्यू में एक कंटेस्टेंट को दूसरे कंटेस्टेंट का सामना करना पड़ा. Sounds like fun.
Hello, Mohini.
Hi.
How are you?
Hello, Mohini.
Hi, I'm
Please
good.
sit down.
Mohini, Eric finds you very attractive.
Mohini,
Yes.
आपने एरिक को हराया arm wrestling में?
Yeah.
Do you like him?
It's cute. Okay.
He's cute. He
Yeah.
thinks you're very hot.
I don't know that.
क्या आप जानते हो कि एरिक जानबूझ के हारे आर्म रेसलिंग के कॉन्टेस्ट में? क्योंकि वो
सच?
आपको इम्प्रेस करना चाहते थे. Does that happen to you often, Mohini?
Yeah.
क्या अक्सर लोग आपको कहते हैं that you're very hot?
Yeah, they say you're cute.
So you're
Hot
cute?
sometimes, but I mostly hear this like you're very cute, very sweet and all.
गुस्सा आता है?
बहुत आता है.
बहुत आता है.
Yeah.
एरिक क्या है जानते हो? इसे बहुत गुस्सा आता है.
लगता है थोड़ा बहुत पंगे हो रहे थे दूसरे लड़के के.
Here's the thing. We're going to have another round after this.
Okay.
It is the round that comes before the final journey on roadies. So there's only one round between you and making it to the roadies. Only one of you will go to that next round.
Okay.
Either Eric will go or Mohini, you will go.
Right. So what we have to do?
Impress us.
How?
आपके सामने बहुत सारे प्रॉप्स हैं. 1.5 मिनट का टाइम है आपके पास. शुरू हो जाओ. क्या कर रहे हो तुम एरिक?
What has happened? You had a sex scene. Do it. I don't want to get into a fight with Mohini.
20. 21.
What are you two fools?
What are you two morons doing? There are so many more props on the
There's a
table.
bunny rabbit suit. There's a nappy. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
Don't tell me.
What has happened to you, yaar? Why are you
Like a
giggling
little
like
girl.
Why are you
12-year-old girl?
I swear. This one more.
Kill him! He's killing me! Murder him! Drag that stupid clown! Suffocate him for me!
Time up!
Yes.
Sit down!
So like this?
Bunch of morons.
Gonna have a friggin' heart attack because of you both. What are you doing? What? Don't laugh like that anymore. It's like...
What are you doing, dude? You're giggling like a schoolgirl.
I found it very fun.
Mohini Singh, what do you want to do with your life? Don't tell me roadies is your sole ambition because I will ask you to get lost right now.
No, it is not.
Then what is your ambition?
My ambition, like, I want to be a fashion designer.
You may want to get the nappy off.
I really want to. I have been.
That's fine, Eric. She can
It's
do it
okay.
herself.
Thank you so
It's-
much, Eric.
This is your fashion sense. Wearing blue jeans with a black top.
It's the way I
Off
carry
shoulder.
it.
Went out of fashion when Madonna went out of fashion in the 1980s when she sang like a virgin. Sit down. मोहिनी, आपके पेरेंट्स आपको सपोर्ट करते हैं इस फैशन डिजाइन के पागलपन के वेंचर में?
Yeah, they are completely.
Your parents are
supporting
supportive?
me. Yeah.
क्या सोचते हैं कि पागलपन का भूत जब उतर जाएगा तो शायद शादी कर लेगी किसी से?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
फिर?
I mean, मैंने उनको बोला, I want to go for मेरे को फैशन डिजाइनिंग के लिए जाना है. They didn't come
कि आप
into.
मैथमेटिक्स में वीक हो तो आप किसी साइंस के
I
कोर्स में
agree.
तो जा नहीं
Yes,
सकती.
I agree. मैं मैथमेटिक्स में.
दिमाग तो कम है इसीलिए तो सोचा कि भैया अभी क्या करें, लड़की हूँ
मेरा
फैशन
दिमाग
की
कम
डिजाइन.
नहीं. मेरा दिमाग कम नहीं.
मैथ्स में वीक हो आप,
Yeah.
फिजिक्स में वीक हो, साइंस में वीक हो.
इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि दिमाग कम है. दिमाग
या खुद में
आपके
फैशन सेंस जब है ही नहीं तो क्या
दिमाग
फैशन डिजाइनिंग
दिमाग
करोगी? तो
डिग्री लेके नहीं होता है. दिमाग इज अ वे
वही तो मैं
कैसे
कह
आप
रहा हूँ.
यूज करते हो उसको.
फैशन आप सीख नहीं सकती.
क्यों नहीं सीख सकते?
Fashion is inbuilt. When you
It
don't have
is
taste
inbuilt.
yourself, when you don't have taste yourself, what kind of fashion are you going to learn?
Fashion मतलब ये नहीं कि you wear something strappy and it becomes fashion. No, if this thing
I'm
was
not interested
out,
in fashion.
if this thing was outdated, I don't mind. I'm wearing it right now. I'm carrying it right now pretty well.
It looks.
I know according to you it looks hideous. I'm fine with this.
Eric, what do you like about Mohini's fashion sense?
I like a top. I don't know.
You're not looking at a top.
I'm not looking.
You're a creepy guy. I can see you in 40 years being those old creepy
I don't want
men.
to slap you hard. I'm telling you.
You should punch him.
I just
Feel free, Mohini.
मुझे उसका टॉप पसंद है. I need to look at the top and I
So
look.
why are you looking at me? तो मुझे क्यों देख रहे हो? Question पूछे तो
She is
answer
asking
दो.
me कैसा टॉप पसंद है कि नहीं तो I said yeah top
Yeah,
पसंद.
yeah,
So that I
yeah,
need to
yeah,
look at you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, Mohini,
Yes.
thank you so much. You can leave.
Thank you, Mohini.
Hi.
Bye, Baba.
Eric, रोडी बनने से तुम्हारा क्या फायदा हो सकता है? हमारा तो कोई फायदा नहीं होगा क्योंकि आप तो
Maybe
बकवास
you get a
करते
good roadie in me.
हो. No,
Yeah.
not a open hell.
I can perform task. That is
Dude, you
seen
can't
क्योंकि-
stand while being pushed by a girl half your size.
because I never wanted to hit a girl because I
I
find
asked you
like
to hit her. What are you talking
Can't
I
even
like push.
stand your ground, bro.
You can't even stand your ground in a conversation.
This is Mohini, and this is Eric.
it's of course if I push her she would fall down. It's not
No
nothing
one's
like that.
talking about that, yaar. She'll chew you and spit you out in 30 seconds. She was dominating you
I can't
completely.
be
You
rude to
nothing. You
girls.
don't have an
It's
opinion.
not in
You just
me.
talk the
It's
giggles.
not in me. I
So
can't
then
be
it's
rude
not
to
in you.
girls.
Then what are we doing here, yaar?
I don't think you're going to go through the next round, Eric. Thank you. We'll see you next year. Thanks. Please work.
You use your focus, Baba. 3 सेकंड में जब वो तो यहाँ पे अंदर
I could have pushed her. मैं उसको धक्का दे
I'm not
गिरा
talking about
सकता
the
था but I
pushing. I'm
didn't
not
want to
talking
do
about the
that
pushing.
because
Don't get dramatic. You lost her all focus. You had no focus. The girl was here. You couldn't stop looking at her. You lost all focus. और तुम वो बन गए जो तुम्हें लग रहा था वो चाहती थी तुम बनो. उसके बाद वो ही हो गया.
नहीं.
She completely dominated him, man. Completely. Boom. You didn't have an opinion.
I didn't want to be rude to her. That's it. If
I
I
was
want,
not
I can
asking
be
you to
rude.
be
मैं उसको I can abuse her. I can do that. But
No. You're getting it
it's-
wrong, brother.
No, if you're saying that मैं उसको push क्यों नहीं किया? I just didn't want to hurt her.
First of all, I didn't.
Okay, Eric. We've got a lot more people to go through.
Come on.
We'll see you again. Okay.
Thank you, brother.
Mani, this is for you. We know you're going to have some fun now because I don't know whether you felt this, but I thought that Eric was on the verge of breaking down.
Eric, क्या हुआ भाई? तू रो रहा है? तेरी आंखों में आंसू? Look here. What happened, man? क्या हुआ?
I don't know. I
क्या हुआ?
don't impress him.
एरिक में बात ये है, he loves having fun. उस मजाक में वो भूल जाता है उसका पर्पस क्या है. This from यहाँ एरिक यहाँ पे था, from here he went boom down.
I got carried away by that girl.
मोहिनी से क्या हुआ उसके साथ?
They wanted me to push her. I didn't push her because she was a girl. I thought it would be like really rude to push her, but मैंने उसको push नहीं किया था. तो I thought that she dominated me. I didn't want to hurt her. That's it.
तो तुझे क्या लगता है तूने गलत करा by not pushing her?
It's not गलत, but उन लोगों को गलत लग रहा है. They don't want me in the show. That's what they think.
You went for the cricket match and you didn't go for a post-wedding honeymoon.
नहीं, मेरे को बाहर जाना था तो वो नहीं गया, मैं राजस्थान गया था.
That is my mom's place. That is his honeymoon. That was not my honeymoon.
Do you know what an epic loser you are, Vicky? Do you know what a low life you are?